Hello class, how are you? Um, Today we're gonna take using precise words, grammar for writing, page 40. Well, when I ask you what is precise word, like what is the meaning of precise word? Well, it means like the exact words or like specific words. Like using precise words makes you right. You like means I'm sorry. Using precise words like using specific word, using exact word. Okay. So using precise words makes your writing clear and with meaning. Also, you have to pay attention to nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So when you write, you have to choose a specific words, okay, to make your writing very clear, okay? So here we have an example. Um, Despite the bad weather, the man saw a vehicle. So when you read like the bad weather, what is the meaning of bad weather? Like, is it snowing or raining or storms or thunders? So you have to be specific. And the man saw a vehicle. What kind of vehicle you're talking about? Like, is it a bus, car, um, a bicycle, motorcycle? You have to be specific. So um, here with here we have like despite the thick weather fog. I'm sorry. Despite the thick fog, the police officer spied the red convertible. So here I was very specific. I like wrote the thick fog and spied the red. I said the color and the kind of the car, the red convertible. Okay, so you have to be very specific and add details and okay. So here we have nouns. Nouns that are specific instead of general. Tell the reader exactly what you want, what you want and what you mean. Okay? I do not I use general words, use specific words, precise words, so you make yourself very clear. So here we have animal. Like when you read like a story, I saw an animal. What kind of animal? Is it a wild animal, a pet? How do I know? So you should write like a cat, dog, frog, tiger, snake, who knows, what else? And be more specific. You can like say, I saw a black and white cat, a very big dog, okay? Maybe you can say a dog without a tail, okay? Or cat without a tail. So here also we have clothes. Let's say like you want to say or describe someone, like you say a man who's wearing clothes. What does that mean? Okay, so you have to be more specific. You should say like a man is wearing like red t-shirt, red shirt, blue white jeans, red jeans, maybe leather, maybe coat, um, scarf, hat. You have to be more specific and you have to add details. Okay, like you said, like you have to say like black shoes, white shoes. Okay, okay. And here, like we have to replace dull, overused verbs with more precise words. Okay, so here we have right. Okay, we have to you have to use gravel instead of right, look, glare, or stare. Well, there is complete difference between glare, I mean look and stare. Like he's staring at me is different from like he's looking at me. Okay. Also here we have walk. Um, Also you have to be like more specific when it comes to adjectives. Okay. And you have to add a lot of adjectives. Like here when you say an old man, like well I saw an old man. What do you mean like I saw an old man? Is it like he 40s, 50s, like 45, 46? Is it he late 40, or maybe 51, 52, 61? You have to be more specific. Like you have to be, I saw a wrinkled guy with a gray hair, with the beard, mustache. You like you be more specific. He's tall, short, seven instead of big and tall and short, you can use he's 7 foot. Okay, and you have like add maybe with green eyes, blue eyes, maybe like I saw a lady, she's 20, like around 25. You should say, and like she is maybe 7 foot, or like 168 centimeter. You can use meter, you can use inch, you can use foot, I'm sorry, you can use whatever you want to, but you should add details, you should add a lot of details. Okay, here we have like examples I'm gonna show you so you can learn and see the difference. Okay, so put that quilt on the bed. Okay, so instead of saying put, like what is the meaning of put, like just put it. Okay, well we have here lay that quilt on the bed. Well, it's much better and with details. Here let's put the flowers in a vase. Well, what do you mean by put, like put, just put him? Or here much better, like let's arrange the flowers in a vase. If you want to be more specific, you can use like the names of flower, like jasmine. Okay, or like daisy, like let's arrange the yellow daisy in a vase. Okay, much better, more details. Well, the reader is going to enjoy when he reads. Okay, so here another one, put some mayonnaise on my bread, please. So put, like maybe I'm going just like put 1 or 2 tablespoon. So the like just put them. Okay, so instead of saying put, I should say like spread some mayonnaise on my toast or on my bread, please. Spread, well, like he's going to spread it. Okay, here another example, put some rocks in a jar. Well, what do you mean by rocks, like small, big rocks, sands? What does that mean? um, you have to be again more specific, use precise words, specific words to describe, to write. Okay, so when you want to write a story, you should write a lot of details so the reader can, like is going to imagine himself in like this situation. Okay, so put some small round rocks in a jar. Okay, so this is a little bit more specific and much better. Well, here, cut up some vegetables. Okay, um, like when someone will tell you like cut up some vegetables, well, you're gonna think what kind of vegetables. Do you want to make salad, like tomatoes, cucumber, lettuce, or onion, spring onion? What is it? Okay, well, you have to be again more specific. Or like if someone um, tells you like, can you bring me fruit? What kind of fruit do you want? A banana, apples, strawberry, raspberry? What do you want? Okay, or something to drink, like kind of herbs. Like you should be mint or like tea. You have to be specific. Okay, so here, cut up to medium-sized carrots and 4 large potatoes. Well, I know right now what exactly you want, like medium-sized carrots and four large potatoes. So I know you now maybe you're gonna cook. Okay, so this is much better and like more details. Okay, so today's lesson is about like using precise words. I want to help you, and you can use like synonyms. Okay, synonyms of the word like going to help you a lot. Synonyms, you're gonna look for the synonym and you will learn. Okay, and you can know what kind of words do you want to use. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this lesson. I'm gonna send you a YouTube video so you can learn more. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.